First off, if you didn't know, walnut stain comes from the rind that surrounds a walnut. As it rots, it turns soggy and black. My dad made some of this stuff almost 50 years ago in this very same workspace. And I found it a few weeks ago when I was cleaning. There's a rack of old paint. Originally, this was going to be MC Maple, and MC Maple stood for Master of Ceremony. But this is not dark enough. I want MC to stand for Master of Chocolate. Ha! Master of Chocolate. Master of Chocolate. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I am going to let it soak in this time. Fuck it. Hell yeah. 1970s homemade walnut shine, I was going to say, but it's not shine. All right. As an aside, the reason that this made me think of shine is because it gave me the idea that I used in this novel, Nothing Save the Bones Inside Her, which was the first Angus Hargrave novel, which I then went back and wrote. Sometimes Bone, the novel that took place before. Yeah. But anyhow, that's the interesting tie-in with the walnut stain. It's made me think of walnut shine. I've always thought of this more as walnut shine than stain for some reason. Now you can hear that it doesn't have constant contact all the time. You can hear it going, it's scraping, it's hitting some parts and not others. So that means we're not getting the full face on it yet. Now you can hear contact all the way around. Now I've backed it up into the hole. There's a channel that thread goes into. Backed it in, get a full cut on the face. All right, I got a clean cut all the way on that, so I'm going to hit it again. Getting back in place. Speed up. All right. All right. Party on, Wayne. Party on, Garth. Excellent party time. Master of Chocolate is elegant and gorgeous. The red showing up on the shafts and on the joint protector. And the joint protector isn't stained, so it's another color of dessert. It just looks classy. The walnut stain that's splashed at the bottom, next to the squiggly lines of the spalted maple, is like coffee stain on an old treasure map. This stick has just so much going on that I'd really love to see it at auction too. The bottom line is both sticks are genuine humdinger stunners and are thus qualified. It's like a quality standard. It's a humdinger stunner. It's like 5 stars. But anyhow, they're both qualified sticks to compete for your attention.